Hello student, welcome to next lecture for field theory. In last lecture, we discussed some examples of finding the splitting field of a polynomial over the given field, and today we will discuss the normal extension. We have taken one theorem also in last video. That theorem was E be an algebraic extension of a field here. Algebraic extension means the extension having all the elements algebraic over the given field. That is the algebraic extension. Containing algebraic closure. Algebraic closure means the field which is algebraic extension of given field. In general, F bar is algebraic closure of the field F if F bar is algebraically closed and F bar is algebraic extension of F. Field F containing an algebraic closure F bar of the field F, then the following are equivalent. First statement is every irreducible polynomial in Fx that has root in E splits into linear factors in E. The second one is E is the splitting field of a family of polynomials in Fx. Third one is every embedding sigma of E in F bar that keeps each element of F fixed maps E into E. We proved these statements, these three statements are equivalent to each other by showing one implies second, second implies third, and third implies first. If any extension that satisfies three property, if any extension that will satisfy any one of these three properties, then we call that extension as a normal extension. The definition of normal extension is the extension field E of F is called normal extension if it satisfies any one of the condition in above theorem. Then the field E is called as normal extension of field F. Means the field E will be normal extension of field F if E is the splitting field of family of polynomials over F. That is because in the second statement it is given that E is splitting field of family of polynomials in F, means we can consider if E as a normal extension of F if E is a splitting field of family of polynomials in Fx. Or we can say E is normal extension of F if every irreducible polynomial in Fx that has root in E splits into linear factors over E. We take one example on this. Let E be finite extension of F. Then E is normal extension of a field F if and only if E is the splitting field of polynomial Fx in F. Solution, as it is given that E is finite extension of F, we may consider that as algebraic extension of F. Let E be an extension of F generated by algebraic elements alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and up to alpha n over F. That is E is equal to F joining alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha n. See, as E is generated by a finite number of algebraic elements, these are finite in number, hence E is algebraic extension of F. We know that any extension is algebraic extension of F if every element of that extension is algebraic over the given field. Here E is generated by n number of elements over F which are algebraic, hence this extension is finite extension and hence it is algebraic extension of F. Now consider any one of the statements. Example, let E is normal extension of F. Suppose E is normal extension of F. Let Fx is a polynomial. We want to prove that E is the splitting field of polynomial Fx in Fx. Fx belongs to the field Fx. We assume that E is normal extension of F. If f of x has factorization p1x into p2x up to pnx belongs to E. If fx has factorization in E into n factors p1, p2 up to pn, where p1x, p2x, pnx has root alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha n. If all these polynomials has roots alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha n, then it is clear that as fx factorizing in E and fx has all the roots alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n belongs to this extension E of F. Hence, E is the splitting field of fx. Therefore, E is splitting field of fx because of what? E contains all the roots of polynomial fx belongs to fx. As E contains all the roots of fx, hence fx factored into linear factors over E, therefore E is the splitting field of fx. Therefore, E is splitting field of fx. Conversely, suppose that E is the splitting field of fx over F. Then we want to prove E is the normal extension of F. But what is the definition of normal extension? The extension field E of F is called as normal extension if it satisfies any one of these three properties. From that, the second property is E is the splitting field of family of polynomials in Fx, then E is considered as normal extension. Here, E is the splitting field of Fx, E is the splitting field of Fx over F, hence E is the normal extension of F. Because of what? If E contains one root of the polynomial Fx, then it will contain all the roots of Fx because it is a splitting field. Hence, by definition of normal extension, E is the normal extension of f. Otherwise, you also go by this result. These three are equivalent. We are assuming that E is a splitting field of fx over f. Hence, these two statements are equivalent. If E is the splitting field of fx polynomial over f, then the first point is equivalent to second. The first point implies that every irreducible polynomial fx that has root in E, we have one polynomial fx that has root in E, in fact that have all the roots in E, splits into linear factor in E. By using the first statement, if we consider E is a splitting field of polynomial fx, then fx splits into linear factor over E, and by definition of normal extension, the extension E of f will be normal extension. We use this as a result in another examples. The second example is any degree 2 extension is normal extension solution. Let E be the extension of field F such that degree of extension E over F is equal to 2. As this degree of extension is 2, there is some element which does not belongs to F but belongs to E. Let alpha belongs to E but alpha does not belongs to F. As alpha does not belongs to F, there is some polynomial whose root is alpha over F, which is irreducible polynomial because it has root in extension field of F. Suppose that polynomial is Px. Let Px belongs to Fx be irreducible polynomial whose root is alpha, then Px will have degree 2 because this degree of extension is 2. Root of the Px belongs to the extension field E, hence this polynomial has degree is equal to this degree of extension because Px will be minimum polynomial for alpha in that case. Hence, degree of polynomial Px is 2. Now we have the tower of field F contained in F of alpha contained in E. F of alpha is the smallest extension of F that contains root of the polynomial Px. F of alpha is subfield of E. Hence, by using the dimension theorem, we get degree of extension of E over F is equal to degree of extension of E over F of alpha into degree of extension of F of alpha over F. Now we know that degree of polynomial Px is 2. Hence, this degree of extension must be equal to 2 because alpha is root of the polynomial Px that belongs to F of alpha. Px is a polynomial over F which is irreducible polynomial whose root belongs to F of alpha. Hence, this degree of extension is equal to the degree of minimum polynomial for Px. Degree of extension of F of alpha over F is equal to degree of Px, which is the minimum polynomial for alpha. This degree is 2. Therefore, and we have degree of E over F is also 2. Hence, this equation number first gives, therefore, equation 2 implies 2 is equal to, this side is 2 because this degree of extension is 2, is equal to degree of extension E over F of alpha into this degree of extension is 2. Hence, degree of extension E over F of alpha is equal to 1. As this degree of extension is 1, we say that these two fields are equal. Hence, E is equal to f of alpha. Therefore, E is the splitting field of the polynomial Px that contains all the roots. F of alpha is an extension of the field f which contains root of the polynomial Px, and E also the extension of f that contains root of the polynomial Px. Both are equal, hence E is the splitting for the polynomial Px, because in the field E, Px will splits into linear factors, and by definition of normal extension, E will be normal extension of f. E is normal extension of f. We take the another examples on the normal extension. Example 3, this is the second example. C is normal extension of R. Why it is normal extension of R? Because C is formed by adjoining I to the field of real numbers. This is the finite extension. This is the finite extension as well as it is algebraic extension of R. Hence, this extension is normal extension because this is the extension of R of degree 2, and we know that any degree 2 extension is normal extension. The degree of extension C over R is equal to degree of minimal polynomial for I over R, because this C is formed by adjoining I to R. This is only one element, hence we write this degree of extension is the degree of minimal polynomial for I over R. This is equal to degree of the polynomial x square plus 2, hence, or we can say x square plus 1, hence the degree of extension C over R is equal to 2, and being degree 2 extension, C is normal extension of R, hence C is normal extension of R. Example 4. R is not normal extension of Q. Show that R is not normal extension of Q. Solution. What is normal extension now? The normal extension is the extension of the given field, that is the splitting field of family of given fields, family of polynomials over the given fields. R is not normal extension of Q because R is not the splitting field of the family of polynomials over Q. Means if we consider some polynomial over the field of rational numbers, then that polynomial will not have splitting field as field of real numbers. For example, x cube minus 2 belongs to Qx. We form the extension of Q by adjoining only one root of this polynomial to the Q. Which are the roots of this polynomial? In last videos we discussed this example. The roots of this polynomial are alpha 1 is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 3, alpha 2 is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 3 into omega, where omega is cube root of unity, and alpha 3 is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 3 into omega square. 1 omega square are cube root of unity, 2 raised to 1 by 3 is one root of this polynomial and other roots are that contain the number omega. Omega is -1 plus or minus I root 3 upon 2. Observe that only 2 raised to 1 by 3 is the root of this polynomial that belongs to the extension R. Therefore, alpha 1 is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 3. This belongs to field of real numbers. Hence, we get the extension of Q. Therefore, R is extension of Q. Because of what? This polynomial in Qx has root in the extension field, which is R. Hence, R is the extension field of Q, but R does not contain other roots of the same polynomial. But the other roots alpha 2, alpha 3 does not belongs to the field of real numbers. Hence, R is not the splitting field of this polynomial. Therefore, R is not a splitting field of the polynomial x cube minus 2 over Q. Hence, R is not the normal extension. R will be normal extension if R contains all the roots of this polynomial. But we know that these two roots that includes the complex number plus or minus I, and that does not belongs to field of real numbers. Hence, the real number is not the normal extension of Q. The next example is example number 5. Which of the following extensions are normal extensions of Q? First, square root of minus 2. Second, Qx, where x is not algebraic over Q. Next is R joining square root of minus 5. This is third one. Fourth is, okay, these are the fields which we have to check the normal extensions of Q or not. Solution. Now we know that any degree 2 extension is a normal extension. Means first we find the degree of extension. If it is 2, then it will be normal extension. In first case, this is the field Q joining square root of minus 2. In first case, Q joining square root of minus 2 has degree of extension over Q is 2. Because of what? In this field, there is only new element which is square root of minus 2. That element square root of minus 2 is algebraic over the field Q because its minimal polynomial is x square plus 2. X square plus 2 has roots plus or minus square root of minus 2. Hence, this polynomial having root square root of minus 2 that belongs to this extension, and hence the degree of extension of this field over Q is the degree of this polynomial, which is minimal polynomial for square root of minus 2 is equal to degree of square root of minus 2 is equal to degree of x square plus 2 is equal to 2. Degree of extension of Q root square root of minus 2 over Q is 2, hence it is a normal extension. Therefore, Q square root of minus 2 is normal extension of Q because it is degree 2 extension, or this is the splitting field of this polynomial. This field is formed by adjoining a root of the polynomial x square plus 2, and it is the splitting field of this polynomial. In last case, this is a polynomial having roots alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Its one root belongs to extension field of Q, but other two roots does not belongs to that extension. Hence that extension R is not a normal extension of Q. But here this extension contains all the roots of this polynomial. In fact, this extension is formed by adjoining one root of the polynomial x square plus 2 over Q. Hence this extension is a normal extension. Second case, Qx, where we have to check whether this extension Qx over Q is normal or not. As x is not algebraic over Q, we cannot form a minimal polynomial for x over Q. Hence, we cannot say that Qx is the splitting field of some polynomial or some family of polynomials over Q. Hence, Qx is not normal extension over Q where x is not algebraic. If x is not algebraic over Q, then there does not exist minimal polynomial of x over Q whose splitting field is Qx. Hence, Qx is not a normal extension of Q. In third example, R joining square root of minus 5. See, if we consider the degree of extension of R joining square root of minus 5 over Q, it will be infinite degree, because in R there are infinitely many, in fact uncountably many irrational numbers which are not algebraic over some of them are not algebraic over Q. Hence this R joining square root of minus 5 will not be algebraic extension of Q. If it is not algebraic extension of Q, like in previous case, Qx is not algebraic extension of Q, then Qx will not be normal extension of Q. Hence R joining square root of minus 5 is also not a normal extension of Q, because it is not algebraic extension of Q first. Is not algebraic. Extension of Q. Hence, is not normal extension of Q. Next example, please. Smallest normal extension of Q joining 2 raised to 1 upon 4 in Q closure. We want to find the smallest normal extension of this field in Q closure. It is easy to check that if the degree of extension is 2, then it is the normal extension. Hence we find the extension of this field which is of degree 2, then it will be smallest, it will be of degree 2, hence it is normal extension, and we only check when it will be the smallest extension of this that contained in Q closure. Q closure is what? The algebraic extension of Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 and which is algebraically closed field. Let the degree of extension of Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 I over Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 is equal to 2 implies this extension q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 I is normal extension. Of q joining 2 raised to 1 upon 4. Why it is normal? Because this extension is the splitting field of the polynomial whose one root is 2 raised to 1 by 4. If we consider x raised to 4 minus 2 is equal to 0, then this polynomial has 4 roots that are calculated by considering x is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 4. The 2 raised to 1 by 4 is nothing but 2 into 1 raised to 1 by 4. This is 2 raised to 1 by 4 into 1 raised to 1 upon 4. 2 raised to 1 by 4 into the fourth root of unities. There are 4 distinct fourth root of unities which are 1, minus 1, I and minus I. Hence all the roots of the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2 are in the field q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 I, means this is the splitting field of the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2 whose one root is in this field 2 raised to 1 by 4, and this field contains all the roots of this polynomial. One of the root of this polynomial belongs to the given field q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4, but its other root belongs to this polynomial. Hence this is what the splitting field of this polynomial. This is the subfield of q closure, which is the smallest extension of q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4, that is a normal extension. The last example is, let E be normal extension of f K be a normal extension of E, then is K a normal extension of F we have tower of fields K contains E contains F. Given that this extension is normal extension, this extension is normal extension, we will check whether this extension is normal extension or not. As these two are normal extensions, we consider the example. For example, K is equal to Q joining fourth root of 2, E is equal to Q joining square root of 2, and F is equal to Q. Observe that F is subfield of E is subfield of K. Then the degree of extension K over E is equal to the degree of 2 raised to 1 by 4 over Q root 2. As this element 4th root 2 is algebraic element over E, the degree of extension of K over E is equal to the degree of algebraic element, which is 4th root of 2. The 4th root of 2, if we consider alpha is equal to 4th root of 2, if we square this equation, then we will get alpha square is equal to square root of 2. Means x square minus root 2 is equal to 0. This is the polynomial satisfied by alpha. And this polynomial has coefficients 1 minus root 2 that belongs to the field E. E is q root 2. Hence, this polynomial belongs to q root 2. X square minus 2 belongs to q root 2. Therefore, the degree of algebraic element 2 raised to 1 by 4 over q root 2 is the degree of polynomial x square minus 2. Right? This degree This is the minimal polynomial for 2 raised to 1 by 4 because it is monic irreducible polynomial of least degree. X raised to 4 minus 2 is also the minimal polynomial for 2 raised to 1 by 4, but that is not of minimum degree over the field Q joining square root 2. This degree of extension is 2. Degree of extension of E over Q is equal to the degree of square root 2, which is algebraic element over Q. Since K is algebraic extension of E and degree of extension of K over E is 2, therefore K is normal extension of E. Similarly, E is algebraic extension of Q and the degree of extension of E over Q is the degree of algebraic element root 2 over Q. That means this is degree of the polynomial x square minus 2 over Q. This polynomial belongs to Q whose degree is 2, therefore this degree of extension is 2. Hence, both the extensions K over E and E over Q are normal extensions. Therefore, the extension K is normal extension of E also the extension E is normal extension of F now we see whether the extension K is normal extension of F or not. The extension K over F has degree of extension 4 because this is the degree of 4th root 2 over Q. This algebraic element belongs to K and it has degree over F is equal to the degree of its minimal polynomial, which is x raised to 4 minus 2. This degree of extension is 4. This is not 2. Now we check whether this field K is the splitting field of this polynomial or not. See, one root of this polynomial, which is 2 raised to 1 by 4, other three roots are minus 2 raised to 1 by 4, 2 raised to 1 by 4 into I, minus 2 raised to 1 by 4 into I. Means that roots contains a new element I that does not belongs to this field K, which contain only the new element 4th root of 2. K is formed by adjoining the element 4th root of 2 to Q and it does not contain the element I, which included in the root of this polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2. Hence, in the field K, the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2 does not factor linearly. That is, K is not the splitting field of the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2. But x raised to 4 minus 2 belongs to Qx, has splitting field Q joining 4th root of 2 and I, because this polynomial has two roots, 2 raised to 1 by 4 I and minus 2 raised to 1 by 4 I, that belongs to this field. Hence this is what the splitting field of this polynomial. K is not a splitting field of the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2. Therefore, K is not a normal extension of Q.